Betrayal trauma shatters a person's fundamental sense of reality. It leaves them disoriented, questioning their memories, their worth, and the basic safety of their world. This psychological whiplash often severs the connection to the divine. God can feel distant or indifferent, and the self-confidence you once relied on disappears into a fog of uncertainty. The central tension is the lack of control. You cannot dictate the choices of a spouse or loved one, even as they drift from their faith or break sacred covenants that defined your life together. Trying to navigate an impossible, unwanted situation is exhausting. You are forced to deal with the spiritual and emotional collateral damage of choices you never made and a future you didn't choose. When you cannot influence the external storm of another's agency, survival depends on a different strategy. You must secure an immovable internal anchor. Your circumstances have been shaken, but your identity remains fixed. You are a loved, covenant child of God, and that divine worth is a constant that no betrayal can alter. Covenant faithfulness provides a literal conduit for divine power. This strength filters out the noise of a fallen world, helping you maintain your footing even when the ground beneath you shifts. President Dallin H. Oaks teaches that as we honor our sacred covenants and follow the plan of redemption, the promised blessings enable us to soar to celestial heights, rising above the immediate crisis. This means your healing is independent of the person who hurt you. You don't have to wait for the situation to resolve before accessing the Savior's power to strengthen your heart. This is the greenhouse principle. You cannot stop the tornado outside, but you can create a safe, controlled internal environment where spiritual growth continues despite the chaos. Spiritual empowerment is an active pursuit. It comes from intentionally building this internal greenhouse, rather than passively waiting for your external circumstances to improve. Recovery from deep trauma is rarely a single dramatic event. It is forged through small, daily acts of faith that feel insignificant in the moment, but build a foundation over time. The DPAR framework provides a structured way to manage these daily efforts, ensuring that even in your pain, you are moving toward the Savior. You start by discovering where you need Christ most today. Then plan one small, actionable intention. After you act on that plan, you reflect. You look for the subtle evidences of God's hand, noting any quiet shift in your perspective or the small miracles of peace that occur during the day. These repeated cycles compound. Each small choice deepens your spiritual roots, gradually reshaping your heart and making it more resilient against the storm. On Mount Sinai, the Lord promised that a covenant-keeping people would be a peculiar treasure unto him. Deep spiritual treasures are rarely found on the surface of an easy life. Instead, they are discovered within the refining pressure of patience, persistence, and sacrifice during our most difficult seasons. Even when you feel exhausted or unworthy, President Russell M. Nelson invites you to actively seek and expect miracles as you do this daily work of anchoring to Christ. These miracles are often quiet shifts within the greenhouse, peace replacing panic, wisdom replacing confusion, and a newfound courage replacing a sense of helplessness. By staying anchored in your covenants, you ensure that the growth inside eventually outpaces the storm outside. As you continue these small daily sacrifices, you will find that the Savior uses this very process to convert your deepest trials into a source of enduring spiritual strength.